Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we're gonna get you one more cold start on Old Red here before we park it for the winter. This will probably be the coldest one yet.
22 degrees out though.
I literally just ran my Mustang to the car wash, and like 2 minutes later, all the water on it was icicles.
Is this no choke?
Yeah.
You think it'll start with no choke?
I'm gonna choke it. I'll have a dead battery if I don't. You're supposed to crank for a little bit though first to draw the fuel through the lines.
Oh yeah, you know how to do a cold start.
Gnarly!
There we go.
Sounds good.
Leave your foot on the gas. Oh, nice.
Gotta run this thing to the car wash probably because I drove it out on the road once, I think with the salt, so just make sure it's all clean underneath. Take it to the cheap underbody wash. So make sure to hit that like button, guys. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more uploads.